Make sure you watch this entire video to find out the full content of 2025 Singles Case W. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Welcome back guys to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at 2025 Singles Case W. So without further ado, let's get straight into this box right now. And for the first time in ages, I'm actually going to be opening up the full entire case. You can see the goodies in here. So without further ado, let's start off with, I guess, one of the coolest ones in this case is Fishtail. Pretty cool stuff. There is one of him in this case, and we can see on the back of the card we have Jackson Storm, Rusty's McQueen, and Rusty's Cruz Moraes. Speaking of Rusty's Cruz, here is Rusty's Cruz herself. Very cool stuff. And on the back of the packaging we just have Jackson Storm and Rusty's McQueen. There is also a new Thailand variant of Acer in this case, which is first released since 2015, I believe. You can see the eyes there on the back of the card, Otis and Acer. We have Grem here. Pretty cool stuff. Grem. And on the back, you can see Acer, Grem and Otis. The three lemons from Cars 2 being released in 2025. The only Cars 2 characters in 2025. We have one Dave Alternators, Davey Apex, whatever he likes to be known as these days. The Cars 1 Revolting Racer. On the back of the packaging we can see Billy, Oil Changer, Sally, Lightning McQueen, Sheriff, Winford Bradford Rutherford and the King. Pretty cool stuff. There is also one Chuck Armstrong in this case, the Cars 1 Mood Springs Racer. You can see there is his artwork. On the back of the card we can see Dave Alternators, Sally, Billy Oil Changer, Sheriff, Slim Hood, which was actually seen in Cars 3, and Phil Moore. Lightning McQueen with Shovel was first introduced in 2025 Singles Case T as a new Thailand variant, and we can see very nice stuff here. Lightning McQueen with Shovel. And on the back of the card we got some Case R highlights of Christina Wieland and Pickering member Sarge, Lightning Ramone, and some other cars such as Mario Andretti, Dexter Hoover Green Flag and Daryl Cartrip. Clog Scruggs, the Thailand Leakless Piston Cup Racer, we can see from Cars 1. This is an updated variant from his 2020 release, I believe. And on the back of the card we can see the same cars as we did from Dave Alternators. Next up we are going to take a close look at Floyd Mulvihill. There is two of him in the case, as you can see right there. There is the other one. Pretty cool stuff, the Cars 1 Gaspin Racer. And on the back we got these cars here. And then again here is the other one, which I'm probably going to get rid of because I don't need two. There's the back. There is two Sallys in this case, as we can see here. Sally, pretty cool stuff. And on the back of the packaging we can see these characters. And here is the other Sally. Pretty cool. Probably get rid of her. We also have the rare card piece here, which I'm probably going to keep because it is the rarest in the case. We have two The King, aka Strip Weathers. Very nice stuff. Voiced by Rich Petty. And on the back we have these cars. Like I said, there is two of him in this case. We are going over to Cars on the Road Lightning McQueen, the 2023 variant. Pretty cool stuff. And then these are the cars on the back. Logan Gearsall, Barney Cones, Margaret Motorway, Cade McQueen, Noel Speedcone, and Road Trip Mater, which is actually quite rare on 2025 card now. We have a new Thailand variant of Ryan Shields, which I have already reviewed on the channel, so I'll leave that video in the top right hand corner for you guys. Pretty cool stuff. And these are the cars on the back. Case R highlights with the Case T highlight of Lightning McQueen with Shovel. So yeah, we also have another Rusty's McQueen. So yeah, pretty decent stuff, I guess. Not too bad. I mean, it'd be cool to pull an error like they don't put the holes on his base. but I don't think there is any errors in this particular case. There is the back of the packaging. We have 2 McQueens from the Race and Rescue series, which I will be taking a close look at probably in tomorrow's video. You can see there's the artwork. There's the back of the packaging. Bally Race Chickix, Mattel and Sarge. 2 of those in the case. There is 1 Mattel in this case, so I could finally take a close look at the case V highlights. Very nice stuff. There is the back. And the good stuff is over here. This is not a good stuff, but we've got Crypto Buster McQueen. 1 of 2 Cars on the Road characters in this case. There's the back of the packaging. The same as Road Trip McQueen. So yeah, here is Sarge from the Race and Rescue. I've already done a video on him. Same with the other 2 in this case. See the back of his packaging here. Jackson Storm. There's the back of his packaging. And for the first time ever, Red is being released as a single. And I've already reviewed him as well. So yeah, that is going to pretty much end today's video on the case, I guess, W highlights. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, all of that stuff. Until the next video, peace everybody.